The value of service robots from the hotel guest perspective, a mixed method approach. Authored by Ingrid Y. Lin and Anna S. Matilla. The primary objectives of the article is to explore and understand how hotel guests perceive the value of service robots and how their perceptions influence their attitude, anticipated experiences, and acceptance of service robots in full-service hotels. So, the research aimed to answer two main questions. One is, do service robots make hotel stays better or worse for guests? Second is, how can service robots and human staff work together to improve the guest experience? The researchers answered the questions by identifying what guests value most in service robots and testing a model that shows how these factors influence guest attitudes and acceptance. By using both interviews and surveys, they gain a clear and complete picture of how guests view service in robots hotels. Methodology, research design. The study used two stages. 1. Interviews to explore how guests feel about service robots. 2. Surveys to test those ideas with a larger group. Location and participants. Interviews were done in Honolulu, Hawaii with 30 people from various backgrounds. Surveys were done online with 215 people across the US, aged 18 and older, all with experience staying in full-service hotels. Data collection. In the interviews, participants reacted to robot scenarios, like a robot receptionist or room service robot. The surveys included 29 questions and robot images to measure what guests thought about things like privacy, usefulness, appearance, and novelty. Data analysis. Survey responses were analyzed using two tools. First, confirmatory factor analysis. Check if the survey's question worked well. Second, structural equation modeling. Tested how different guest opinions affected their willingness to accept service robots. This is what the study had discovered that met the objectives. 1. Service robots can enhance the guest experience. Guests appreciate privacy, speed, and convenience. 2. Human-robot collaboration depends on tasks. Robots are preferred for simple or repetitive tasks. 3. 4 main drivers of guest acceptance: perceived privacy, functional benefits, novelty, and robot appearance. 4. Attitude and experience shape acceptance. Positive attitude towards robots, higher acceptance. Anticipated overall experience with robots is a strong influence or willingness to use them. Last, practical insights for hotels. Use robots where they add real value, don't replace humans entirely, keep them where empathy or flexibility is needed. Design and privacy features matter is guest acceptance. The essence of the article, aside from it to my dream job. For me, this highlights a key principle I carry into my work. Technology should serve people, not replace them. When designing service experiences, I believe it's critical to match the right tools to the right moments in the guest journey. This article validated that approach with real data and offered a clear framework for how hotels can blend innovation with empathy to create memorable, efficient, and human-centered experiences.